Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. My name is Navid Hosseini, and as usual, I'm back with another text fix. This is from our Chrome collection, our at hyperpix.net. In this video, we're having a Chrome text effect, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can apply your text or your logo to this beautiful text effect. Actually, it's gonna take it more than a couple of clicks in less than 2 or 3 minutes. You're not gonna believe this, but I'm gonna show you how. Okay, if you want to download this, go to hyperpix.net and get access to hundreds of our text effects, especially this one. Okay, this style is applicable to any language that you want. For example, here is a Japanese version of it. Look at these details and beautiful sharp Chrome design. So don't worry about your language. You can use in any language, any font. All right, let me show you how. Right click on the edit layer. Right click on the yellow layer and select edit content. All right. Now do the same thing on the yellow layer and edit content. Okay. In the second window, we got 2 text layers. Now type your own text in these layers. All right, there it is. We can resize the text. These 2 text layers have a warp upon them. Right click on each text layer and right click, you can see the warp text. And we got a bend here that you can control it from here, from warp text. You can see if you don't want the bend, put the height of the text on 100. But if you don't, keep this on 140, or you can increase the bendness. Okay, I'm gonna put this on default, and I'm gonna keep this one too. We got bulge here. We can change its bend from here. Okay. There it is. I think it's good, right? Close the window and select yes. And in this window, do the same thing and close and select yes. There it is. As you can see here, it's totally applied. And you can see the result just right away. How long did it take us, right? Like 2 or 3 minutes? And I was explaining it actually. All right, let me show you how the other layers works. We got sparkles. We got a set of sparkles that we use them to give us shiny design, a shiny look, reflective surfaces. And put them on the edges of your design that gives you a beautiful look. You can resize it. Use Ctrl-T or Command-T in Mac. This gives you a more professional result. Choose them one by one and put them where they should go. Or you can just press Alt and drag it so you can duplicate it. All right, there it is. I'm not gonna bore you with the rest of them, but you make sure you're doing this so it gives you a more professional result. Okay, we got lines, those 2 lines, top and bottom of your design. You can just disable it. It's not really important. Double click on each text. We can just disable it. We got a style, which contains the technical part of our design and structure of our design. I recommend you just skip this one because it contains the technical part. We got 2 set of layers. These here, the 3rd and 4th layers. I'm going to show you how this works later. Okay. Finally, we got lights. The light in the background. You can just disable it, or you can change its color from double click on the FX icon, and from color overlay, choose your own color. Okay. we can have this as transparent. For that, all you gotta do is press Alt and drag on the eye icon so you can disable all of the other folders and have this style. Just beautiful, sharp Chrome result that you can use in different projects. It will come handy, I assure you that. Okay. Okay, let me show you how we can apply this to a logo, right? Okay, don't worry about that. Right click on the yellow layer and select Edit Content. And now do the same thing and choose Edit Content. Now, import your logo in this window. Okay, position in the middle. Remove one of the text layers. Now, we need its style to apply it on our logo. We can do this by dragging the FX icon onto our design or copy layer style and paste it on your logo. Remove the text layer. Okay. You can change the gradient. I recommend you just skip this one. Close it and select yes. And this window, do the same thing. Let's wait for the result. There it is, our design, as you can see here. Totally applied to our logo. Result is amazing. Okay, let's go to styles, and you can see these lines. They're too much a little bit. So these two layers, like 4th and 5th, you can disable it to get less chromey surface. Double click on the FX icon. From bevel, you can change its size. If you increase it, you can see here, you can see the chrome decreased upon the surface of your logo. See? If you don't want this too much, change the size, decrease it. I think it's good here. Put this on 59. It's totally up to you. Okay, next one. Yeah, as you can see, there is the result. From bevel, change the size, decrease it. It's gonna take a little bit of time, but yeah, that's the result. You can see the result here. Beautiful. And actually, I'm gonna make sure I give you assurance that this has been done for the first time by our designers. This technique, nobody can do that. All right. This is very easy to use, and it's amazing that you can see on a Chrome text style. Okay, we're done here. Let's just put the sparklers on their positions so we can have final design. I'm gonna put them one by one. I'm gonna put this on speed so you don't miss your time. There it is. You can see the result yourself, and the result speaks for itself. I think everyone agrees that this is beautiful. All right. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to download this, go to hyperpix.net right now and get a premium account and download this and hundreds of other text effects at your service that you can use right now. Please subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.